Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on GeForce Now. First, you need to understand that GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service, streaming games to your device. To ensure a smooth experience, a stable internet connection is crucial, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher. Before proceeding, always confirm that Roblox is officially supported on the GeForce Now platform, as game availability can change. This setup allows you to Next, you'll need to set up your GeForce Now account. Begin by either creating a new NVIDIA account or logging into an existing one. Once your account is ready, download and install the GeForce Now application onto your preferred device, whether it's a PC, Mac, or mobile. After installation, open the application and use the search bar to find Roblox. This step connects your gaming experience to NVIDIA powerful cloud servers, preparing you for play.
With your frame set up, it's time to add content. You can effortlessly import various media types, including images, videos up to 5 minutes long, and text boxes, directly into your frame. The app provides robust editing tools, allowing you to crop, resize, and apply filters with precision. For team projects, invite up to 10 collaborators by sharing a unique project link, enabling real-time co-editing and feedback.
To ensure the best possible gaming experience, consider a few optimization tips. Firstly, using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can significantly improve stability and reduce latency. Secondly, close any unnecessary background applications on your device to free up resources. Finally, don't hesitate to adjust the in-game graphics settings within Roblox itself. Sometimes, slightly lower settings can lead to much smoother gameplay, providing a more enjoyable and responsive experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.